escape sequence program, we used to write escape sequences in printf statement in the first argument. Here I have written hello in the printf statement, and if I need to print in new line, then I use \n escape sequence hello world. Then the output should be hello in the first line and world in the next line, like this, hello world. If I use \t, then it will show the output hello, then 8 space, then world, hello space world. So here \t shows the tab of 8 space. If I use \a, then it will give a beep sound. If I use \b, then it removes one character in the left hand side, like backspace. So there are two spaces here and this. Let's check. Now only one space is there. If I remove all the spaces, then O should be deleted. Here HELL world, O is deleted. Okay, so \b removes the one character and cursor comes towards it. \r is carriage return. It moves the cursor in the starting of the line. So here cursor is blinking on H in the beginning. Okay, if I want to print slash, then it doesn't work. Let's check. There is error because it is having different meaning. Unterminated string. Okay, so what should I do to print \? I will use escape sequence /. Then \/ will be printed. Hello \. We can write like D colon in this way. C program, then escape.c. Now it will print D/C program /escape.c. Okay, so the URL is printed. If I want to print double quotes, then what I should write? Here double quotes is already defined in pre-printf. So if I write double quotes, then it will again give the error. Let's check. There is an error, unterminated string. So what I will do, I will use the escape sequence. Then if I write hello, then again I want double quotes. The output will be hello within double quotes, like this. Similarly, I can print single quote. The output is here. If I want to write in multiple statements, like hello in this way, then it will give an error. Okay, there is an error, unterminated string. Now I can connect them by using a backward slash. Now it's okay. So I can write in multiple lines with the help of backslash. So these are some escape sequences.